On to the story that's defining the news agenda. Maharashtra, the worst impacted state, is now waiting for the big question to be answered. Lockdown or no lockdown in the state of Maharashtra? This is coming in as Maharashtra has reported the highest single-day spike with 63,294 new cases and 349 new cases in the last 24 hours, taking an active cases load to 5,65,500. Amidst the rising cases and series of meetings chaired by Uddhav Thackeray, a meeting with Deputy Chief Minister is scheduled for today, while a cabinet meeting is going to be chaired on Wednesday to seal this particular decision. The government, after having discussions with the task force and all the parties, is also mulling to provide certain facilities in all districts to curb the COVID spread. This includes liquid oxygen plant in each district and restricting the number of attendees in the funeral amidst others. Meanwhile, Mumbai alone reported 9,989 new cases with 58 deaths in the past 24 hours. The maximum city's active caseload now stands at 92,464 with a total of 877 buildings sealed in the city.
Lockdown or no lockdown? The big question has not been answered yet. As the state continues to report massive surge in cases, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is holding relay meets on whether to impose lockdown or not. Maharashtra's health minister says the decision could be taken as early as Monday, but the announcement won't be made public till Wednesday.
बहुतांश टास्क फोर्सच्या मेंबर्सचं मत लॉकडाऊन केल्याशिवाय गत्यंतर नाही, कारण बेड्सची उपलब्धता, खास करून ऑक्सिजन बेड्स आणि आयसीयू बेड्सची उपलब्धता काही शहरांमध्ये निश्चित प्रकारे अडचणीची झाल्या असल्यामुळे या बाबतीशिवाय पर्याय नाही.
On Sunday, Uddhav Thackeray met the COVID task force to review the situation and take suggestions from the committee. A cabinet meet is next on schedule. The state's health infrastructure has been under duress due to sharp surge in cases.
देश में कोविड की परिस्थिति और खासकर महाराष्ट्र में विकट होती चली है. जिस तरह से हमने वीकेंड लॉकडाउन लगाया और कल विपक्ष के नेताओं के साथ बैठक हुई, सर्वदलीय बैठक बुलाई गई और जो परिस्थिति है उससे अवगत कराने का काम किया गया.
The state observed a weekend lockdown after 5 days of restrictions and night curfews, but the situation doesn't seem to be getting any better. Maharashtra's COVID tally continues to breach the 50,000 mark on a daily basis. The magnitude of the crisis can be understood by the fact that Maharashtra constitutes nearly 58% of India's total active caseload. On Saturday, Uddhav, during his all-party meet, had hinted at an 8-day lockdown in the state. Former Chief Minister and current leader of opposition Devendra Fadnavis opposed the move.
महाराष्ट्र में सबसे ज़्यादा कोरोना का जो प्रादुर्भाव है बढ़ चुका है और इस कोरोना को ख़त्म करने के लिए, कोरोना को हराने के लिए मुझे लगता है कि महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने कदम उठाना चाहिए.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.